Tired of chasing unreliable tech stock that might leave you empty hand? Want safe, reliable income that pay you like clockwork? Buckle up, because we are cracking the Ftse 100 to reveal two hidden gems charting out massive dividend. That's right, these are ain't typical flashy startup. These are the established company in booming industry offering double-digit dividend yield that could pay you for life. Want to know what they are and how to get in on action? Stick around, because in this video we are unrevealing the secret of Ftse 100 dividend riches. Smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a single tip on securing your finance future. Keep in mind, I am not a personal finance advisor. I'm only making this video for education purpose only. If you ever gonna invest on any stock, make sure to do your own personal research and diligence. Okay guys, I want you to forget about Tesla or any other bigger stock in the world. In this video, I want to share with you best two highly paid dividend stock which are part of UK top 100 different company. The first company, they are paying around 8.18% in dividend yield, and they are making two payment per year, which means every 6 months you will be getting some dividend payout. And this company called Legal and General, the ticker is LGEN. This company mainly focusing on insurance and asset management company, which is one of the largest asset management company in UK. The current market capitalization around 14.87 billion. The current revenue around 9.6 billion, and each and every year you can see the growth in this company. The revenue also increase as well. Now the profit before tax around 195 million. The total asset around 522 billion, the total liability 517 billion, which bring up our net asset around 4.7 billion for this company. Now, I just want to give you some example. Imagine if you invest in this company, how much you will be earning end of the year. Now, you can invest any amount from 1 to 100 to thousands and thousands pounds. But let's say you are investing 10,000 pounds in this company. What you will be end up, because the current price per share around £2.48, which means you will be end up getting nearly 4,032 stock. Now tomorrow this price might be changed, maybe in 1 month time it could be more or less, depending on the price at the time you can own total stock. And the dividend payout, they pay based on how many stock you have. Okay, keep that in mind. Now if you invest £10,000, you're probably going to end up getting £818 per year as a dividend payout, and it is a taxable payout, so therefore you have to pay 20% tax on this earning. This is why I always end up getting dividend stock, because you have a multiple benefit. One of them, you can sell your stock and get more money because the value could increase in value. The second one, you can get in dividend payout as well. So therefore, if you are investing, look for dividend stock rather than the ordinary stock. That gets you much better return. Okay, now the three reasons why I'm investing in Legal and General. One of them is a high dividend payout. Second one, growing industry, because if you look at the current industry, insurance is one of the main thing, because no matter what, you always have to have some level of insurance. That could be personal insurance, job security insurance, and many other insurance out there, pensions and investment. So many things this company actually managing, and therefore this industry growing every day. The population increase, this industry required by default, right? So that's why other reason why I want to invest in this company. The third one is a cheap valuation. If you look at the current, how much revenue they're making, how much market capitalization they have. If you look at overall, this is a very cheap valuation in this company, and that's the other reason why I want to invest in this company. Now, before I get into the second stock, I want to say thank you for sharing this video, but please like this video for the YouTube algorithm. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell notification. Okay guys, so the second stock, they are paying 9.59% per year as a dividend yield, and this company also paying around 2 payments per year, which means every 6 months you will be getting split dividend payout. Okay, now the company called M&G. This company is a finance business that offer investment product and the services. Current market capitalization 4.89 billion. Current revenue for the finance year 3.8 billion. Also, if you look at their revenue growth, every year they are having an increase. So therefore, this company continue to grow as well. The other one, profit before tax around 749 million, the total asset around 189 billion, the total liability 185 billion, which bring the net asset around 4 billion in total. Now again, I want to give you a quick example. Imagine if you're investing £10,000 in this company. Now again, you can invest from £1 to any amount, but just for the example, say £10,000 invested, which means the current price per stock around £2.05, which means you will be end up getting 4,878 stock. Now this price could change tomorrow, and if that change, depend on the price, you can see how much stock that you can own. But again, if you invest £10,000, you're probably going to end up around £959 per year as a dividend payout. Again, you have to pay tax on those earnings as well. Now, as I said before, this dividend payout sometime it will be increased as well. Imagine in a 1 year time, if this stock price gone up to £3.05, now the dividend payout also could increase as well. But also on top of that, if you sell the stock at the time, as I earlier mentioned, you can get more money as well. Okay, now the 3 reasons why I'm investing in M&G, this is also a high dividend yield and strong balance sheet. If you look at the balance sheet, they're actually having much more money as well. Okay, very growth wise, growing each and every year, so therefore they have a strong balance sheet. That's the second reason. Third one, again, it is also cheap valuation as well. These are the 3 reasons why I want to invest in this company. Okay guys, so before I end this video, I want to ask you guys to support my channel, because this channel is all about talk about personal finance, mainly all the dividend stock, where you can find the highly paid dividend stock. Maybe what are the stock that I'm investing, maybe you can consider as well. Maybe investment in cryptocurrency, maybe real estate, but also personal development and many other things I'm going to cover in this channel. So this is a very new channel. I need your support to grow my channel. Please consider subscribe my channel and press the bell notification. And if this video had any value to you, please consider like this video for the YouTube algorithm as well. Please share with many other people, but also you can follow me on my social media, either Instagram, TikTok or Twitter. But also if you have any question or if you want to collaborate with me for any reason, there's my email as well. You can contact me directly there. But I will be seeing another video. Until then, you guys take care and goodbye.